So first you need to create a project and open it up, and here in the edit section you need to come over, and here this one is the effect icon. You need to click on effect icon, and here under the titles tab you will find the text and text plus. For simple you can use this one text. So if you drag over here and paste it here, now you can replace the text with your desired title. So I will say VMware install on Windows. To make it more contrast, you might need to add a background to it. So what you can do, scroll down, and here under the background section you see the height is currently set to 0. So let's make it, give it some height, and you can change the text color from here. Click on this blue one. Okay, and if you need to extend for longer duration, you can just drag it for the duration. You might want to add some
running Windows, Linux, and even macOS all on one machine, like digital insertion.
Now if you want to add fade in and fade out, what you can do here, if you bring your mouse cursor, you see this one little rectangle type of icon, rounded rectangle, just drag it over, and similarly you can do fade out. Now if you preview your animation,
imagine running Windows, Linux, and even macOS
see
all
how
on
it's
one machine,
fading in.
like digital insertion. Hey friends, if you ever wanted to test apps, try new OS, or build isolated dev environment without wrecking your
Now it
main
would fade
system,
out.
you are gonna love VMware
Yeah,
workspace.
so that's been a short video on how you can work with titles in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching this video.